Yabona uMayeni, uShibase. That woman is Musa's soulmate. That woman is Musa's, it's the love of his life. One thing about Umayini and Umusa, their romantic relationship is built on a very genuine relationship. When you look at their relationship, you guys, you can see that these people, they have a genuine relationship with one another. They get one another. And like there's some things that like you cannot fake them. You can see, especially Kule Trip, not Kule Trip, when Umayini and Ubab Mselegu is doing their diary sessions. You can see ukuthi labantu like they understand, two best friends. They understand each other's jokes, like it's that type of thing. These two people really have a genuine friendship, and their love, their relationship, their romantic relationship is built on that genuine relationship. And I feel like that's the reason why Umtombeni went back and begged for Umayeni for months to come back. Iyakhumbula or ungakhumbula ukuthi Mayeni does speak about when she was younger ukuthi Umtombeni played with her feelings. He toyed around with her feelings. And Mayeni was actually the first woman out of all the women that are present in his life today, the ones he's married to them. Umayeni was the first woman that was actually there. And Umayeni actually, she heard ngabantu ukuthi uMusa sekayashada. And that was the time eshadu umamkhulu. So, like, I feel like even when we listen to Umayeni's, like, story when she speaks about yena Numtombeni, like, the hurt is coming from a different place. It's not the same like the others, guys. And I've also said, ukuthi, like Mtombeni's relationship no Shibase, it's different and it's beautiful, and we all can see it. We all can see the chemistry between them, the love and the friendship between them, and it's a beautiful thing to see. Really trippy that they were on. Umayeni is so relaxed on this trip. She's enjoying herself. She's not there for drama. She's not there for ungenindaba zabantu. Kodwa one thing about Umayeni akazingeni indaba zabantu, she always tries to keep to herself. Meya nenkinga unenkinga nendoda yakhe, but besides that, she tries by all means to not have drama nabanye abantu. But anyway, we truly do hope that the love between them nje ubanakala ukuthi bajabule kangaka. We really hope ukuthi like it continues, may their bond even continue even the more. Please do make sure that you like this video, subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.